Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Percy. Sorry for the noise, I'm actually outside, so sorry for all the outside interferences, right? Before we start, I just want to say that I know I've been gone longer than I said I was going to be initially, right? Reason being is I had a few things that I was going through and I needed to sort everything out before I came back, right? Meaning from now on, there'll be a video out every week, right? So guys, please keep on sending in your translations. And thank you for all those guys that sent me a message wondering if I was okay or not, right? So for this week, I have one person that sent me, well, a list of translations, right? I only picked the first 16 and this was from Kweku, right? Kweku, thanks again for continued support. And these are the things that Kweku wanted to know. The very first thing that Kweku wanted to know was, so Kweku wanted to find out what ayeyi beng na mimfemao actually meant in English. Again, ayeyi beng na mimfemao. One last time. Ayeyi beng na mimfemao. Now that in English is, what kind of praise can I give to you? Again, what kind of praise can I give to you? Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, why do you keep saying that? Again, why do you keep saying that? Now that in Tree can be said as, adentina wukoso kasa. Again, adentina wukoso kasa. One last time. Adentina wukoso kasa. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, Kweku wanted to know what humble actually meant in Tree, or how to say humble in Tree, right? Now humble in Tree can be said as ahun brasie. Again, ahun brasie. One last time. Ahun brasie. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, I am a very humble person. Again, I am a very humble person. Now that in Tree can be said as me bre me hwa sepa. Again, me bre me hwa sepa. One last time. Me bre me hwa sepa. Okay, now let me just do that very, very slow. Me bre me hwa sepa. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, if you keep going, you'll hit him. Again, if you keep going, you'll hit him. Now that in Tree can be said as, se wukoso kwa wubebono. Again, se wukoso kwa wubebono. One last time. Se wukoso kwa wubebono. Slower. Se wukoso kwa wubebono. The next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, I don't want to hit anything. Again, I don't want to hit anything. Now that in Tree can be said as, mimpese me bo biribiara. Again, mimpese me bo biribiara. One last time. Mimpese me bo biribiara. Slower. Mimpese me bo biribiara. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, what's the noise, or what's this noise from? Again, what's the noise, or what's this noise from? Now that in Tree can be said as, Dedei frihin. Again, Dedei frihin. One last time. Dedei frihin. Slower. Dedei frihin. The next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, so I had to move locations from where I was, right? So by the way, the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was how to say that when. Now that in Tree can be said as, na mrebeng. Again, na mrebeng. One last time. Na mrebeng. Slower. Na mrebeng. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, it's too much. Again, it's too much. Now that in Tree can be said as, edoson dodo. Again, edoson dodo. One last time. Edoson dodo. Slower. Edoson dodo. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, why did you move it? Again, why did you move it? Now that in Tree can be said as, adentina wuyi friho. Again, adentina wuyi friho. One last time. Adentina wuyi friho. Slower. Adentina wuyi friho. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, you can't do whatever you want. Again, you can't do whatever you want. Now that in Tree can be said as, wuntumi nye nia wupe biara. Again, wuntumi nye nia wupe biara. One last time. Wuntumi nye nia wupe biara. Slower. Wuntumi nye nia wupe Pe Biara. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to know was, come on now. Again, come on now. Now that in Twi can be said as Braço Sesiara. Again, Braço Sesiara. One last time. Braço Sesiara. Slower. Braço Sesiara. Now the next thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, that's nasty, or literally nasty, right? Now that in Twi can be said as airtime. Again, airtime, or you can say airtime, right? So again, airtime. One last time. Airtime. The next thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, what do you mean by that? Again, what do you mean by that? Now that in Twi can be said as Edien na wopese wuchere. Again, Edien na wopese wuchere. Slower. Edien na wopese wuchere. One last time. Edien na wopese wuchere. And the next thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, why is it always doing that? Again, why is it always doing that? Now that in Twi can be said as Adentina debiara eyesa. Again, Adentina debiara eyesa. One last time. Adentina debiara eyesa. Slower. Adentina debiara eyesa. Now the last thing that Kweku wanted to find out was, it's almost time to go. Again, it's almost time to go. Now that in Twi can be said as Mre ya sunse yebeko. Again, Mre ya sunse yebeko. One last time. Mre ya sunse yebeko. Slower. Mre ya sunse yebeko. Guys, that's it for this week's lesson. I just want to say, keep spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi or find out what Twi is about come to this channel. Hopefully when they go through the content, they'll love it enough to actually join the family, right? And remember guys, if you love the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And always remember guys, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go to Google Store. Please download the Twi Junior Pro app. It's less than $1. With that and this, you learn Twi quicker. With lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.